Is ChatGPT not working or not responding for you? Are you seeing the errors like too many concurrent requests? Something seems to have gone wrong, or even something went wrong, try again. You are not the only one. These are the common errors. In this video, I will show you why ChatGPT is not working, what these errors actually means, and how to fix them step by step in under 3 to 4 minutes. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. So why is ChatGPT not working or not responding today? It could be usually few things. You have opened too many tabs or refreshed too quickly, which triggers error. Or ChatGPT is under heavy load, especially during peak hours, which causes temporary server-side errors. Either way, let me show you how to exactly fix all of them. Alright, in the first step, we have to clear our browser cache. This method shown works for both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. It's super simple as showing in the video. Sometimes ChatGPT error happen because of old session data and clearing your cache resets everything to fresh. Once you clear any cookies, cache or data, just make sure you have restarted your browser once. Now the step 2 is close any extra ChatGPT tabs. Don't open too many ChatGPT tabs at once. This often causes the too many concurrent request error. Just use one tab at a time and avoid rapid refreshes. Now at step 3, check if ChatGPT is down. Just go to status.openai.com. This is the official OpenAI status page. It shows you live updates. If ChatGPT is down today, there is a ChatGPT outage or server-side issues are happening. If the site says degraded performance or major outage, it's not just you. The servers are struggling. Now the step 4 is enable notification. Just go to status.openai.com and click the subscribe to updates to turn on the notification. By this way, you will get outage alerts in your email whenever ChatGPT has an issue. So no more guessing. If you are still having issue, now let's proceed with step 4, contact official support. Go to help.openai.com and the official OpenAI Help Center. Here you can search for common errors like ChatGPT not responding or something went wrong. See the troubleshooting articles or scroll down to the bottom where you could go ahead and chat with ChatGPT support. To chat with the support, please make sure you are logged in with your email account that is associated with ChatGPT. Now here we have the quick recap. So if ChatGPT is not working, do this. Clear your cache, use one tab, check the OpenAI status page, subscribe for alerts, and visit help.openai.com if needed. Sometimes all you need to do is wait for a few minutes and the error goes away by itself. If this video helped you to fix ChatGPT errors, then like the video, subscribe, and leave your questions below. I will respond to each and every comment. Thanks for watching, and may your ChatGPT stay fast and bug free. Take care. Bye.